My name is Dave Hagen. I'm Vice President of Global Trading Technology at Linedata, and I'm here today to talk to you about the future of the buy-side trading desk from a technology perspective. First, let's take a look at the future of the buy-side trading desk. There are a couple of themes that are definitely afoot. The first has to do with data, or what that really means and how that's going to benefit the trading desk of the future. Being able to harness massive amounts of data and information presented in a visually pleasing, intuitive, easy to understand way for the trader and making it actionable. Those are really some of the biggest themes that we're seeing today. Really what we're talking about is harnessing the power of the data you already have on your desk. Being able to access that quickly has really been the challenge, and the innovation that's taking place as we speak around being able to access that quickly is really going to propel the future desk. I liken the future buy-side trader to an air traffic controller in a lot of ways. You have all the screens up in front of you, you're monitoring, you're looking for situations that you need to address, maybe take course corrective action, choppy air ahead, maybe you need to go below it. So what we're seeing is a desire for the tools to facilitate that and make that a seamless process. Another obvious theme that's been going on is doing more with less. That's true on the buy side, that's true on the sell side. Traders are being tasked with trading asset classes that they didn't trade 2 years ago. You need to be multi-asset class fluent. And that's definitely, you're going to see that evolve even more in the near future. So beyond just dealing with trying to decipher all this massive amounts of information that's coming at you, you need to know what's going on from a regulatory perspective. You need to make sure you're staying within your company's guidelines and the government policies that are in place. I believe it's critical to have an integrated platform. An integrated OEMS is what I'm talking about specifically. This will give you all the trade history that you've ever done, all the PM information that you've ever dealt with, and if you can envision in the future, there's a couple of terms that have been thrown around, alpha profiling, PM profiling. I think we all know what that means, but if you have a truly integrated OEMS, you now have all that data at your fingertips. So when your portfolio manager sends you an order in a name, you can, at the touch of a finger, see exactly what PMs bought it or sold it when, visually. You can see what trading strategies they used, how did that strategy perform, and it really is going to bring the trader front and center again, in my opinion, to truly be a part of the investment process. Circling back to the data, I think it's great that we now have these tools, the ability to mine deep into the data, but to really make it an integral part of the future desk, you need an easy way to consume it. That's where data visualization comes in. We've been working on data visualization for a number of years now. When you combine that with the power of proactive alerting capabilities, you really have something powerful. Now the system can let you know when your average price for a name that you've been working for 6 days drifts X basis points away from the benchmark you're measured about, from the benchmark you care about and are measured on and sometimes compensated on. At Linedata, we actually take data visualization one step further. You can actually interact with a gauge or a dial or some sort of data visualization and actually put a trade on right from what you see in front of you. You truly are going to need an integrated environment in the future. All the data in one place, seamlessly accessible, actionable. It really has to happen. At Linedata, we continue to innovate to bring you the results you need with the partner you deserve.